He manifested as a man when these people ran after him, or was that just a?
Run after him in which?
Well, they ran after him with a stick. Was this a physical man?
तो अगर पूछने के जब हज़रत बाजिद बोस्तामी शैतान के पीछे भागे तो उसकी शक्ल क्या इंसान मर्द की तरह थी, कैसे भागा?
मर्द की तरह थी.
Yes, he was manifest as a man at that point.
वो हर शक्ल इख्तियार कर लेता है ना.
So he can actually adopt any form or image.
जब वो उसको जन्नत से निकाला गया था ना, तो सांप बन के मोर में दाखिल हुआ तो माही हवा तक पहुंचा था.
So when he was cast out of heaven, he formed the image, or actually formed into a snake, and he entered into a peacock, and that's how he actually approached Eve. Yes, he actually went inside the peacock, and then the peacock approached Eve, and that's how Satan actually got to Eve. How he approached her.
As a snake. That's a different concept.
तो इंसान के अंदर बहुत सारी ताकतें हैं ना, रूहानी भी, शैतानी भी, रहमानी भी. जिस ताकत को ताकत पहुँचाए वही बन जाता है.
Within the human body there are different powers, the powers of good, or spiritual power, powers of God, powers of evil. Whichever power you ignite and activate, that's what you'll become, good or bad.
थोड़ी सी महफिल होते 4-5 कैमरा वाले आ जाते हैं. अच्छा, उसने भी एतराज़ किया था.
जी सर.
With all the sightings with Mary, how does he feel about that?
I beg your pardon, sir.
With all the sightings with Mary, is that for real really, or is it a test?
Significance of that, what does it mean? सारी पूछने के जो लोगों का ख्याल है कि माई मरियम दिख रही हैं मुख्तलिफ मकामात पर, क्या ऐसे हकीकत है? अगर है तो फिर उसका कोई मतलब होगा, कोई इम्तिहान है. लोगों का ख्याल है कि वो माई मरियम
दिख सकती हैं, दिखना चाहिए, लेकिन अभी कोई सबूत तो नहीं है ना दिखने का.
If Mary so wishes to be known or to make her presence felt, then she's able to do that, and that is possible. But we don't actually have any proof regarding those sightings.
Proof, that is, of who it is that's appearing, right?
Right.
As opposed to the actual apparitions taking place.
So मेरे पूछने का सबूत का आप ये मुराद है कि
तस्वीर में कुछ चीज़ कैमरे में है ना.
ठीक सर.
अगर कहीं दिखती है तो कैमरे में है.
And yes, if there is such sightings, if there are such sightings, then they should be on camera. People should take photos of them so that people could see what this is. कभी-कभी ख्याल है कुछ लोगों ने कुछ देखा है आसमान के ऊपर या कुछ पहाड़ों पर, तो उनका ये ख्याल है कि वो माई मरियम. कुछ लोगों ने देखी है, तस्वीर नहीं उनके पास मौजूद है.
मतलब उन्होंने माई मरियम को देखा हुआ तो उनके क्या था, वो कौन है?
जी सर. Sightings may actually take place, but because people have not seen the original Mary, and when they might see something in the sky that they may attribute as Mary.
कोई और भी हो सकता है.
It could be somebody else that may look like Mary, or it could be Mary, but the chance that it is not Mary, somebody else, that people then may feel, oh, this is Mary. But there's nothing to compare with. There's no original to sort of say, oh, this is the Mary that we knew or that we saw, and she's arrived back again.
अगर आसमान के ऊपर कोई औरत देखेगा ना,
जी सर,
तो सारी दुनिया भी देख लेना, तो ईसाई कहेगा माई मरियम है, मुस्लिम कहेगा हज़रत आमना है.
जी सर.
वो हिंदू अपनी देवी का नाम लेगा.
जी सर.
ये बात है ना.
If the whole world could see an image of a woman in the sky, then the Christians would say she's Mary, the Muslims would say she's Bibi Amina, the Hindus would say she's one of ours. That's the trouble. That's the trouble with such sightings.
These women are always causing trouble.
सरकार कह रही हैं कि औरतें जो है ना हमेशा ये फसाद करती रहती हैं।
Shahi, with your teachings, with us, getting Allah in the heart, and as each of us goes forward and teaches, this is changing the world consciousness. It's raising the consciousness to the God consciousness. Do you feel that by doing this, that this is going to change our world pattern in any way?
सरकार ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आपकी जो तालीमात हैं और ये फैल रही हैं और हम तक भी पहुंच चुके हैं और हम भी लोगों को जब ऐसा बताएंगे तो यकीनन लोगों के अंदर ये शऊर बेदार हो रहा है, अल्लाह की तरफ राग़िब हो रहे हैं लोग। तो क्या है सारी दुनिया के ऊपर ये तालीमात छा जाएगी और इसका कुछ अच्छा असर होगा, इन लोगों की हरकतें बदलना शुरू हो जाएंगी, अल्लाह की तरफ वाकई राग़िब होना शुरू हो जाएंगे।
मतलब अगर हरकतें बदलती ना हमारा भी तजुर्बा होता है कि लोग वैसे के वैसे ही हैं, हरकतें नहीं बदली ना, तो फिर हम इतनी मेहनत क्यों करते हैं मुफ्त में खामखा। उनको पता है कि लोग अल्लाह की तरफ दिलचस्पी बढ़ती जा रही है, इनके आप छूटते जा रहे हैं, तब इस तरफ हम
that is the case, and indeed people are becoming God orientated, and it has affected people and is continuously doing that. If that wasn't the case, we make so much effort and we travel to places and do so much work, then we would stop doing that. But we have experienced and we have seen progress in the result.
अभी जितने नशे करने वाले ना हमारे पास पहुंच जाते हैं, हम उनको अल्लाह सिखाते हैं, कुछ अर्से बाद उन नशे छोड़ देते हैं।
For example, there are many people who drink to excess, and the alcoholics, and many such people come to us. And then we teach them Allah, and they practice this, and Allah comes inside them. Then after some time, they stop drinking. It helps their lives. It helps them to overcome alcohol, for example.
एक आदमी हमारे पास आया, वो ड्रिंकिंग करता था, बचपन से छूट नहीं सकती थी, तो फिर चाहता था किस तरीके से छूट जाए, अल्लाह सिखाई। बताया उनको।
There was a person who drank from a very early age. He was alcoholic, and he made some effort to stop drinking, but he found that very difficult. Excuse me. So he came to us, and we taught him how to do Allah.
वो अल्लाह करता रहा, ड्रिंक भी करता रहा। 1.5 महीने के बाद उसकी बीवी आई, उसने कहा कि अब जब ड्रिंक करता है तो उसको उल्टी हो जाती है।
He started to practice this Allah, but he still continued to drink at the same time. And then about 1.5 months later, his wife came to us and said that now when he drinks, he vomits afterwards.
और कुछ अर्से के बाद उसने ड्रिंक छोड़ दी, और अब वो इस मिशन में बेहतरीन तरीके से काम कर रहा है।
And then after some period of time, he completely stopped drinking, and now he's a good example in this message, in this mission. He's working very hard.
The Native Americans do this with the Chanupa, the pipe, the sacred pipe. They believe that they can't do these things, either mostly drugs and alcoholism. When they smoke the pipe, pretty soon their beliefs, of course, is that the God comes through this pipe, and well, there's a lot of history behind that. But it's changing their lives also. So it may be a tool, but nonetheless, the lives are being changed through the God essence, even though it's just a different.
सरकार बता रही है कि यहाँ पर भी कुछ ऐसे देहाती लोग हैं जो इंडियन, यहाँ के मकामी लोग, तो हम लोग एक तरीका ईजाद किया हुआ कि वो हुक्का पीते हैं और उसके ज़रिए से वो कहते हैं कि अल्लाह ताला हमारी मदद करता है। तो हमारे भी कुछ नशे, शराब, जुआ, जो चरस भंग पीते हैं, वो छूट जाती है कुछ अर्से के बाद। और शायद उन्होंने ये तरीका ईजाद किया और शायद उससे कुछ फ़ायदा हो उनका।
नहीं, फिर उस हुक्के में उनसे ज़्यादा कोई नशा होगा ना।
So that may be the case, but it also may be possible that in what they smoke in the pipe, there is a greater addiction, and that's why they leave the lesser addictions.
Could be. It's pure tobacco, though. They don't put anything in it as far as I know. And they don't look at that like that. They don't look at it as there's nothing in it to addict it.
Well, that may be the case. But what Sagar is saying that because they smoke the pipe, it maybe they get hooked onto a bigger addiction, something with more pleasure, so they leave the lesser addictions. करें कि ऐसा मुमकिन है, लेकिन उनकी नीयत तो ऐसे नहीं होती, लेकिन हो सकता है ऐसा मुमकिन है कि वो खालिस तंबाकू पीते हैं उसमें।
ना, तो जो खालिस तंबाकू होता है ना, वो जो चर्च का बना हुआ तम्बाकू होता है उसमें बहुत ही नशा होता है। एक आम तम्बाकू होता है, एक उसमें चर्च के साथ मिक्स होता है।
जी सर।
यानी उस तम्बाकू के साथ चर्च का पैबंद होता है।
जी सर।
वो जो होता है वो बहुत सख्त होता है।
Yes, sir. And the different types of tobacco, to continue on that, and they may smoke a tobacco mixed with some drug,
Yeah.
and that would be a larger addiction. So
Yeah,
they would
yeah.
get hooked onto that.
No, they don't, but I know he's getting at.
नहीं तो हम भी नहीं समझा।
जी सर।
वो जो बीज होता है ना,
जी सर।
तम्बाकू के बीज को और पोस्ट के बीज को पैबंद करते हैं।
जी सर।
फिर उससे जो तम्बाकू होता है ना वो सख्त नशे वाला होता है।
So they're saying that there are two seeds, one of the tobacco and one of the drug itself. So both are combined, and when that is smoked, that is very, very strong. It's a strong effect.
Yeah. That's
It
not,
leads to a greater addiction.
yeah, but that's not the case in the leader of America.
Right. So अगर करेंगे ऐसा है,
हाँ, ऐसा ही
लेकिन
है।
ये जो लोग पीते हैं वो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ खाली तंबाकू ही पीते हैं, वो उसके साथ चर्च भंग नहीं होती।
लेकिन मेरा मकसद है अगर भांग चर्च पीता है या शराब पीता है या तम्बाकू पीता है, बात तो एक ही है ना,
इसका
ना उधर अल्लाह ना इसमें अल्लाह।
इसका but the point being made is that if they smoke the pipe or the drug or drink alcohol, all three are the same, because there's neither of them is their God, not in the pipe or the smoking or the alcohol or the drug.
No, that's true, yeah, they don't, that's not their God, no, that's true.
ठीक है।
गाड़ तो अल्लाह में,
जी सर।
दिल में है।
God is in the heart.
Yeah, that's true, yeah. But that's what they bring.
Please.
What about people that are just really loving people that spend their life in service and yet they don't think about God, they don't even know that it's possible that they can reach a God or find a God, but yet you meet these people and you know they're just innately spiritual, but they never even talk about spirituality
Sure.
or God or anything of the sort. What is the lot of these people?
सरकार ये पूछ रही है कि कुछ ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं ज़िंदगी में जो बड़े अच्छे ही होते हैं, फितरत अच्छी होती है, उनकी हरकतें भी बड़ी अच्छी होती हैं, दिल के बड़े अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन ज़ाहिर में रूहानियत में इस लाइन में नहीं होते, या अल्लाह की गुफ्तगू नहीं करते, या इस तरफ राग़ब नहीं होते, तो उन लोगों को क्या हशर है, वो हिसाब किताब
मतलब
नीयत अच्छी होती है।
बाद जानवर ही बड़े सीधे साधे होते हैं, किसी को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते, होते हैं जानवर ही।
जी सर। Because saying that there are some animals that they're very simple and very sincere, but they're still animals. They may be very good, but don't give harm to any person.
ये अगर तू किसी मंजिल में नहीं है तो फिर हवा नहीं है ना, अगर किसी अल्लाह की तलाश नहीं है, गाड की तलाश नहीं है, तो फिर जिस तरह एनिमल ने खाया पिया सो गया, तू भी खा पी के सो
So
जाएगा।
indeed, it may be the case that very many good people about, sincere people, simple people, or they may do no harm to another person. But if you don't actually strive towards God, or have feeling for God, or actually are not any path which takes you towards God, or do not achieve any station or any realm, then that's not a desired state. Because there's not much difference then between human and animal. Because that's what the animals do: sleep, talk, walk, and they may not cause any harm to any other animal or person. So the desired state is to find that path, to have that love of God, to go towards God, to find God, to achieve something in life, to achieve some spiritual station or realm.
तो जो सिर्फ अल्लाह ने अपने लिए भेजा ना, मेरी तरफ दुनिया में जाकर भी मेरी तरफ आ, इस काम के लिए भेजा ना, आह्वान को तेरे लिए भेजा।
It's got God, the only purpose God sent humans to this earth was so that they would realize themselves and search for God, return to God, find God. And the animals He then sent for human beings for their benefit.
अगर तू उसकी कोशिश कर रहा है, उसकी तरफ कोशिश कर रहा है, तो फिर कहीं भी मरेगा ना तो तू शहीदों में जाएगा।
It's got, and if you throughout life are making some little effort to find God, to approach God, to go return to God, then if you at some point die, then you will die as a martyr, because it will be said that you died in search of God.
जैसा भी ये दुनिया में काम है, नियत में दी हो मुझे किसी तरीका से अल्लाह हासिल हो
Yes,
जाए।
God. No matter how a person is in life, coming back to your question, that a person is very good and sincere, but the intention should be of that person to find God. More over and above the goodness and the sincerity and being simple, they should have in their heart and mind and soul that I should find God, I should search for God. How could I find God?
हो सकते तुझे अल्लाह ना मिले, लेकिन तेरी नीयत के ऊपर अल्लाह कुछ इसके मुआवजा दे दे।
Yes, God. It may be the case that in such a state you will not find God, but it also may be the case that because of that intention that you had, God may give you some reward.
So what happens in community when many group of people or a lot of people start to do Allah, Allah, Allah?
What happens to them?
What happens to the community? How does it change?
सर ये पूछ रहे हैं कि एक कम्युनिटी है, लोग हैं जमा एक जगह पर, एक ग्रोह या कस्बा है, सारा कस्बा ही अगर वो अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू हो जाए तो उनमें कौन सी जो चीज़ पाई जाती है, वो चेंजिंग हो जाती है उनमें? जी सर, वो कैसे होती है?
वैसी होती है। एक बहरूपिया था, वो औरंगज़ेब के ज़माने, आलमगीर के ज़माने में, वो जब भी रूप बदल के आता ना बादशाह के पास, तो बादशाह उसको पहचान जाता।
Indeed, there are changes, and they relate to a tale that at the time of Aurangzeb, there was a person who used to disguise himself, and he had many disguises, and each time he came to the king would recognize him.
उस बादशाह ने कहा उसको, अगर तू मुझे धोखा दे दे तो जो तू मांगे मैं तुझे इनाम दूंगा।
And then the king said to this person that if you would actually manage to deceive me with one of your disguises, then I would give you any reward that you would ask of.
उसने क्या किया, वो एक पहाड़ी पे चला गया, वहाँ उसने जाके अल्लाह अल्लाह करना शुरू कर दी।
And what this person then did, he went to some mountain and then he started to do Allah Allah on that mountain.
2-3 साल गुजर गए और बस्ती के लोग उसको खाना वाना देते रहे, लेकिन कोई दाढ़ी वाड़ी मूछें सब छोड़ दी उसने।
And then he did this for 2 or 3 years, and the local people then gave him the food and other things, but he then stopped shaving and he grew his beard and moustache.
और बस्ती में मशहूर हो गया ये कि अल्लाह का दोस्त है, किसी से मांगता नहीं है, कुछ इसको लालच नहीं है।
Then he became famous in the local community that there's a friend of God here and he has no incentive and he's not greedy and he doesn't ask anybody of anything.
वो वहाँ से खबर शहर में पहुँची, शहर से उस बादशाह औरंगज़ेब तक पहुँची खबर।
The news then travelled to the city, and from the city the news travelled to the king, Aurangzeb.
लोग उसको देखने के लिए आते, वो अपने बेख्याली में जब लोग आते ना तो बड़ा सजदा कर लेता।
And then people would come to see this holy man, and then when they would come to see him, he would be unaware of them, but at the same time he'd go into prostration.
और किसी से बात भी न करता।
And he wouldn't talk to anybody at the same time.
तो ये खबर बादशाह तक पहुंची कि बहुत बड़ा वली है जो पहाड़ पे बैठा हुआ है, वो भी उसको देखने के लिए आया।
This news then reached the king, Aurangzeb, that there is a mighty man of God, some saint in the mountain, and then he actually travelled to see the holy man as well.
वो वलियों से मोहब्बत करने वाला था, वो भी अपने लश्कर के साथ सामने उसके पहुंच गया।
Because the king was the one who loved the saints, loved the friends of God, and he got his army and then actually went to see this holy man.
जब उसने देखा औरंगज़ेब आ रहा है, पहचान गया, तो उसने लंबा सजदा कर दिया।
So when the holy man actually saw that the king was coming towards him, he recognized him as the king, and then he bowed down in prostration, and it was a long prostration. He didn't raise his head.
इतने में बादशाह भी खड़ा हो गया, साथ उसके जो वजीर थे वो भी हाथ बांध के खड़े हो गए।
And then a few moments later, the king then stood next to this holy man, and his ambassadors and ministers also stood next to him, and they were standing in respect.
उसने सर ऊपर उठाया तो बादशाह ने हाथ बांधे।
And then the holy man raised his head, and then the king actually held his hand together in respect.
उस वक्त उस आदमी ने कहा, बादशाह सलामत, आप तो नहीं पहचाना।
And then at that point, the man said to the king that, "O king, you failed to recognize me."
वो तू वही बहरूपिया? उसने हाँ मैं वही बहरूपिया, अब जो मांगना है मांग, मैं तुझे इनाम दूँ।
Then the king said to that person, "Are you that same person that used to come to me in disguises?" He said yes, because he failed to recognize him. And then he said, "Right, you are now entitled to your reward. Ask of anything."
उसने कहा, मैं तुझसे क्या मांगू, मैंने झूठी इबादत करी, झूठी अल्लाह करी, उसका सिला ये मिला कि तू मेरे कदमों में, अब मैं जरा सच्ची करके देखूं। ये कहा और जंगल में चला गया।
Then that holy man said to the king Aurangzeb that I have seen that I prayed to God, I did this worship, but not truthfully, not with sincere intention. It was all false. And the reward of that I've seen that because of that false worship, I actually discovered that you came to my feet. You came to see me because you thought I was such a man of God. Now I will try to see what the reward will be of truthful worship. So he then left for the jungle.
जंगलों में गया तो बहुत बड़ा सेंट बन गया।
So then he went to the jungles, and then some time later he became a very big saint and a man of God.
जो लोग अल्लाह करते हैं ना, तब्दीली जरूर हो जाती है।
So when people start to do Allah Allah, surely there is a change.
ऐसा होता है कोई अल्लाह कर रहे हैं तो ऊपर से कुछ फरिश्ते आते हैं जो इस दुनिया में घूमते हैं।
And in some cases, people do Allah Allah, and at that time there are angels who roam around in the world, and then they come down upon that person.
तो जहाँ अल्लाह हो रही है तो वहाँ भी वो भी पहुँच जाते हैं ना।
It's got where in a community or in a gathering, the name Allah is being chanted, then come upon that community or gathering.
और तुम एक दिन देख लोगे जब अल्लाह अल्लाह में बैठोगे तो तुम्हें अल्लाह अल्लाह की बहुत सी आवाज़ें वहाँ से आएंगी, इतने बंदे लोग नहीं बैठे होंगे.
Then one day you will actually hear and notice that there may be only a few of you sitting doing Allah Allah, but you'll hear many, many voices. And then you'll say there are not many people here, but where are all these voices coming from?
फिर वो फरिश्ते जब ऊपर जाते हैं फिर अल्लाह उनसे पूछता है कि तुमने क्या देखा. वो कहते हैं अल्लाह कुछ बंदे थे जो बैठे अल्लाह कर रहे थे.
Then the angels return up, and then God asks them, "Oh angels, what did you see?" And the angels reply, "Oh God, we saw some people were sitting and chanting your name, Allah Allah."
फिर अल्लाह कहता गवाह रहना मैंने उनको बख्श दिया.
Then God says to the angels that you bear witness that I have forgiven them.
वो कहते हैं एक आदमी कोने पे खड़ा सुन रहा था उसको भी बख्श दिया.
Then the angels say, "Oh God, there was one person in that gathering who was standing at one corner only listening." And God says, "I've forgiven him also."
बहुत से लोग इस चीज़ से बख्शे भी जाते हैं ना.
Because many people achieve salvation and forgiveness in this way.
इसलिए वो लोग इकट्ठे होकर बैठ के अल्लाह करते हैं.
This is why people get together in a gathering and then say Allah Allah.
और एक और वाक्य, एक लड़का था एक मोहल्ले में, उसने लड़की देख ली उसको चक्कर लगाना शुरू कर दिया.
There is another tale that will relate to you, that there was a boy and he saw a girl in this village and he started to walk around that place.
तो लड़की समझ गई तो उसने कहा बात ये तू यहाँ क्यों घूमता. उसने कहा मैं तुझे चाहता हूँ.
The girl understood this and she said, "Why do you come to this place often?" And the boy said, "Because I desire you."
उसने कहा मैं इस तरह तुझे मिल नहीं सकती. एक तरीका है तू मस्जिद में बैठ के अल्लाह करना शुरू कर दा तो मैं घर वालों को कहूँगी कि अल्लाह वाला तो मैं तुझे रोटी देने आ जाया करूँगी या किसी बहाने मिलने आ जाया
And
करूँगी.
she said, "There is one way that this could be achieved, that we could meet, that you go into the mosque and start to pray, and then I will tell my family that there's a holy man in the mosque and a man of God, and I must go to him to take some bread to him."
तो स्टार्ट अल्लाह वाला प्रे नहीं स्टार्ट अल्लाह वाला.
And she said to him that go to the mosque and say Allah Allah,
Allah,
chant the name.
तो उसने अल्लाह करना शुरू किया. उसकी मस्ती में झूमना शुरू हो गया ना.
And then the boy actually went to the mosque and started to do Allah Allah, and he became intoxicated and started to enjoy it and feel the pleasure of chanting.
वो मस्जिद वाले उसको खाना वाना दे देते कोई अल्लाह कर रहा है.
And the people of the mosque used to give him some food because they said, "Is somebody doing Allah Allah?"
कोई 15 दिन के बाद उस लड़की को याद आया कि चलो जाकर देखते हैं ना वो क्या कर रहा है भला.
And after about 15 days, the girl remembered that I said this thing to this boy and he was in the mosque. Let's go and see what he's doing.
जब वो गई तो वो देखे अल्लाह अल्लाह में वो झूम रहा था.
And then when she went to the mosque, she saw that he was actually intoxicated and saying Allah Allah.
उसने फिर उसको हलाया. पहले आवाज़ दी वो नहीं बोला, फिर उसको हलाया, फिर उसने ऊपर उठ के देखा पूछा तू कौन है.
And then what she did, she first called him, but he didn't hear nothing. Then she actually shook him, and then he raised his head and looked at the girl and said, "Who are you?"
मैं वही हूँ जिसने तुझको यहाँ अल्लाह में लगाया.
And then she said, "I am that girl that asked you to do this Allah Allah."
उसने कहा अब तू जा अपना काम कर दे, अब मुझे अल्लाह करने दे.
And then the boy said to the girl that now you go and do your business, just let me do Allah Allah.
बहुत लोग ऐसी झूठी भी अल्लाह करते हैं ना तो उनमें अल्लाह अंदर चला जाता है.
At some occasions, some people do Allah Allah without sincerity and without truth, but even it still affects them and it goes inside them.